Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Hats like these can be found anywhere at this time of the year. Watch what we do to it. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, today is really going to be a super simple Sunday video, but it is going to be a very impactful video because at this time of the year, we're always looking for cute ways to give gifts. And today, I am going to show you how to take some of those cheapo holiday hats that you find at the store at this time of the year, and we're going to turn it into something amazing. We are going to take this hat and turn it into the most adorable little gift bag. I'm going to make a change to this one slightly, but look at how gorgeous this bag is. Very, very easy to do. This really is one of those nice little statement bags that you can use to give your gifts in. This can also be carried as a holiday purse. So I'm going to give you a closer look at this one in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's the hat that we're going to be working with. We're going to take this hat and turn it into this bag. Easy peasy. And on the back, I added a little extra bling, but I wish y'all could see this in person. It really is adorable. I got my hat from the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. They have them in all types of colors, patterns, and you can find one that can surely fit your gift-giving needs. On this one, I left the pom-pom on, but on the one that we're going to make today, I'm going to take the pom-pom off because I want to give it a slightly different look. So, very easy to do. So what I'm going to do is I need handles for the bag. So I sacrificed a stocking and I cut off the top part so that I could have a handle. And all I'm going to do is just take my scissors and cut straight up the middle like this. And then when I get close to the end, I'm just going to fold it and cut off that end because I want to make sure they are the same length. And then instead of gluing these closed, I am going to use my tape. Y'all, this really is as easy as you see me doing it here. So let's just go ahead and add some tape like this. And I'll add some tape right here. Going to make sure I have that tape nice and stuck. Then I'll go underneath and very carefully peel away the tape backer. Then I'm just going to take this and fold it over until it meets the end, like that. Then we'll do the same thing with this one. Let's just go under, peel away that backer, and let's take this and fold it over. These are not going to be perfect because they are hand cut, but they will do. So now we are ready. Y'all, this is going to be so easy peasy. It's almost like what we did with the pillow, but we're going to take this piece and just bring it up. So I'm going to remove the ball from this one because I don't want it. And then I'm just going to trim away a little bit of this because I don't want all of that either. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of glue, put that glue on the inside to keep that closed, like that. And now I'll take this, add some glue to the back, and glue it down. So now I'm going to take my handles and I'm just going to figure out where I want the handles and just place it down like that. And then I'll add just a little bit of glue. Get that stuck. Make sure that you're adding enough glue so that your handles won't come undone. Let's go ahead and put some glue there. I'll flip it over. Take this one and match it to this one. And then once I have it matched, I'll just go ahead and take my glue, add my glue there, and get that one stuck. And then we want to make sure that we have these the same length. So then I'll do the same thing right here. Let's just get that nice and stuck. And I'll keep placing my glue until I know that my handles are stuck from the inside here to the top. That's what we want. But then I'm going to take these little gems that I have, add some glue to the back. Y'all, my glue is hot. I just burned my finger. Flip it over and do the same thing over here. Being very careful not to burn myself. Again, little glue there, and put that down. Now what I think I'm going to do to this one is I am going to take these little Dollar Tree gem strips, and I am just going to lay it down across the front like this. These are very sticky, so I don't even need to add any glue or anything to them. They're going to hold, and look at how cute that is. Then I'll turn it over to the back side, and we're going to do the same thing on the back. Y'all see how easy it is to make some beautiful, fun, creative packaging for our Christmas gifts. We don't always have to use pre-made bags. Just look around. Probably have something similar to this in your stash, especially from last year. So now I think I want to add a little bow. My hands are so gluey right now, but I am going to add a nice little bow, just using some satin ribbon. Let me tie this in a bow. And do I want to put it there? Or do I want to put it there? I think I'm going to put it right here. I think I'm going to put it right there. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue. Take this, put it in that hot glue. Then I'm going to trim here and trim here. Ordinarily, I would use a lighter to add some heat to the ends of my ribbon. I don't have my lighter out, but if you want to stop your ribbon from fraying, that's one of the ways to do it. Just add a little bit of heat to the ends. You don't have to touch the ribbon. Just get the heat close enough, and it'll melt the fibers so that your ribbon will not fray. So then I think I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the back because I want my bow to have a certain shape in the loop. And add a little bit there. And we're going to place that right there. And y'all, this is truly a stylish bag. I'm going to bring the other one back in so that you can see both the bags. On this one, I left the fuzzy ball on and I put the bow here. On this one, I removed this piece, added some of that bling around the top. No matter how you do it, you're going to have some really beautiful holiday gift bags to give to your family and friends. So what an absolutely amazing, super simple Sunday craft using holiday hats. We turn them into really gorgeous and stylish holiday gift bags. Guys, you can find these hats almost anywhere, and they're super inexpensive at this time of the year, but look at what you're able to do. And I'll also have the stocking video linked, and I'll have the pillow video linked to give you some ideas on things that you can do with some of those inexpensive items that might be in your store right now. But I hope that you have enjoyed today's really super simple way to take a Christmas hat and turn it into a Christmas bag. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.